Hello, guys, what is up? I am at New York. I am networking for some events. A lot of new announcements have been posted, including a new project that we might want to start called Stark Maps. Again, none of this is investment or financial advice or any solicitation for investment or anything like that. We also got a lot of new people involved in the team, including someone from Qualcomm, well, someone who had past executive experience at Qualcomm. The actual announcement and the actual contents of the announcement have been posted, and there will likely be a press release soon. Besides that, there's a lot of research being done. There's a lot of progress towards launches. This YouTube channel, by the way, have finally became eligible for Brand Connect or brand sponsorships, which is something to be excited about. Besides that, we're really excited and we hope to be making a lot of progress in terms of a company and team quite soon.